Hello, my friends, and today we're at Replacements Limited. I am so excited to be here in North Carolina, near Greensboro. We are at Replacements Limited, over 500,000 square foot of beautiful china, estate sale items, crystals, silverware, absolutely divine to stroll through this beautiful historical record of some of the most precious china on earth. And look at that pattern, that right in the middle, that's almost like my needle pattern. But it's not, but it's very, very similar. So gold rim, silver rim, painted, hand painted, bone china, all kinds of china. My friends, this place is absolutely a delight to walk through. If you've ever watched Downton Abbey, they've got the set from the Dowager, and they have all kind of crystal glassware, even an old minted machine that shows you how they made some of the pedestals for the china. Incredible museum, incredible, delightful things to look at. Every pattern of silverware shown out here. So if you don't have your list with you when you come, you can look through these and identify one similar to yours or yours exactly. They have silver, they have silver plated, they have gold plated, they have everything. Oh my goodness. And look at this place. This is some of the estate sale items. I am absolutely in love. You see such unique items in here too. But I am absolutely in love with some of these china cabinets and some of these hutches in here, these cabinetry. Absolutely incredible. I would call that maybe a settee or something. It's got the box. Look at this. I've seen similar furniture to this in my sister-in-law's house up in the Carolinas. This place is, and I've never seen silver furniture like this. My girlfriend Phyllis, if she was watching this, she would love that, but probably wanted an orange. Look what we have here. Oh, can you imagine me in one of my long gowns sprawled out on that? Or maybe wearing this. Yes, my friends, I'm tacky. I'd put that out in the house. Husband wouldn't let me, I'm sure. But that is something that you would see. And I have had one of these little round tables before. Probably not this make or brand, but this is absolutely delightful. The candelabras, the glass, the fine glass. Look at this. Magnificent. Somebody had this in their house. Somebody would love to have this in their house. Replacements Limited, my friends. We are here, and we are walking around absolutely enjoying this divine furniture. And then we'll take a look back at the china sets and the tea sets, the silver. Oh my goodness, they have some magnificent silver sets out there I want to show you. But look at this table. Okay, I got to see this first. I have to know how much it is. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, so bold, so thick, so masculine, so divine. Cheaper than I thought. $5,499. Look at these. Somebody carved these by hand, my friends. Somebody carved these by hand. Look at that. China. Okay, look at this. Set out. Looks like it's for dessert. The sorbet in the center plate. That's beautiful too. Love this. And we started coming to Replacements Limited when we found out where they were. We've ordered dishes online from them. They've helped us complete our sets. The gravy boat, a couple of 3-tier serving platters. Absolutely love this place. They have really helped us complete our sets. And every time I go through here, I can just dream about having a house big enough to put some of these magnificent pieces in. And, well, I already have 3 or 4 sets of china at home. If I had my rathers, I would not put those in my house, but they are so unique. I really like that. Ooh, and looks like a bargain room. Okay, let's check out some of these bargains. I'm not in the mood for a desk, but I like that desk. I always like hutches. I would love, love, love to have more walls in the house just to put more of these magnificent wooden. What is this? Okay, looks like we have a real cool, by Jared no less. This is a wine bottle. I think you can take the air out. You can store it well. That's a great price. Okay, and this is the bargain room. This is some of their oddball pieces that maybe haven't sold in a while, or the lower pieces they got from the estate sales. Looks like some regular cigar boxes in here, a couple of humidors. Oh, that china corner. Ugh. I love looking at these when we go into bars and restaurants. The little pull tabs for the, hello, that's me. Man cave, look at these. Belt buckles. These are awesome. Belt buckles. Oh, that's a pendulum little thing to know what is the center. I like that. Old shaving brushes. Pens. Buttons and pens off of military uniforms. Oh, these are cool. Okay, I'm being really respectful. I'm not picking up and touching and all that, but I do want to show you some of the highlights of Replacement Limited. We spent about 2 hours in here, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of some of the little knickknacks, some of the fun things. If you, my friend, have an antique booth, you have got to get to Replacements Limited. They have such fine pieces you can add to your space. And I understand they have a yard sale like once every 3 years. They just had it this last Saturday. I cannot believe that. 3 days ago, they had a yard sale. I wonder what treasures I missed. I love these. These statues. That's weird. Okay, little goat herder. Oh, Mr. Pointer. Okay, and we have all kind of statues. China, 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 China. And I'm just going to show you a little bit here. I want to be respectful of your time, but you really have to come in here. If you have ever dreamed about having or owning that plate, that china set, that silver set, that candelabra, whatever piece from your childhood, I will bet you coming through here will delight and tickle you. They have some really great prices here too. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Okay, and so please, please, please consider putting Replacements Limited on your bucket list if you have any desire or excitement, or if you're a collector over any exotic piece or piece from your childhood that you want to remember. I was talking to Sylvia, and Sylvia had a couple of tea sets when she was a child, and she actually saw some similar pieces here. So absolutely fun. She would love to have her be able to drink out of that big teapot again. These are so cute. Look at these, hand-painted. Hand-painted little treasures. Such cute statues. And I'm spending more time on these because they are so unique. But look at these two sets. Oh my goodness. Lay a big fish in that tray, my friends. This is awesome. Such dark blue, beautiful paint. Beautiful Beautiful dishes. I love how they set them on mirror. Might want to consider that too. Mirror backdrop on the back, mirror dropped on the shelf. Oh, that gravy train is gorgeous. Look at all this gold plating. Beautiful artwork, hand painted, incredible. And teapots. I love me some teapots. So adorable. I would love to hear about your teapots, about your china, about your silverware, about your silver. Hit in the comment below. Did you have a piece growing up that you wish you got from mom or you did get from mom? I would love to hear about it, and we can exchange tales. And these are just so cute. Oh my goodness. Yes, now I want to have a tea party. And this cash register is antique. It's a museum piece. It's not for sale. It is absolutely divine. Look at this. So incredibly cool. The science and technology that we have come up with. And I have to show you this Halloween tree. It's a Christmas tree. It's a silver tree upside down, topped with a hat and a broom. And look at these beautiful, beautiful ornaments. Oh, some skulls in there. They've got spiders on the bulbs. These are absolutely adorable. What a great idea. They are full of ideas. And the people, I will tell you, every single last person in there that I have met, that I have seen, I say hello to everybody. You probably know that by now. And I want me one of these brush sets, these silver old brush sets. I just imagine one day sitting down in front of a mirror and just brushing my hair like 100 strokes, 200 strokes, 1,000 strokes. This is the silver set I would love to have. Look at this. That is incredible. It's magnificent. Look at this. Such incredible detail, my friends. Wow. Do you have any interest in this stuff? This is a $30,000 set. Well, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed the overview, and hit that subscribe button. Come on back. This is just one of my little travels, and we're having a road trip.